Good morning, everyone. This is Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street, 154 in Acworth, Georgia. We have two more locations, one in Woodstock and one in Kennesaw. So just give us a call at 770-693-0769, and we can direct you to the most closest location for you. If you're in Bartow, Cobb County, Fulton County, Cherokee County, Butts County, any county, we can help you guys here in Georgia. And not only just in Georgia, but also in the United States. We have customers in different states that we help. We also have a great website, www.computersplususa.com. If you're looking to purchase that new laptop, desktop, or maybe an Apple device, check us out on that website. We got an online store, and we are always available here Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and ready to help you guys answer any technical problems you might be having. So what's on the agenda today? What was on the plate? So I got in this morning, customer came in and got a scam out of their information. They brought the computer here. We're going to take care of it, but also gave us their phone number. So right now we're going to call this scammer and try to make believe like we got their number and we need some technical support, and we're going to see how long it can play out. So if you're looking at this podcast, you're in it for a real good treat. So let me call this number. I'm going to put that number out. It's 910-446-3466. If you recognize this number or maybe seen this number, make sure you flag it through scam.gov. It's a way that we can help protect ourselves here in the United States and get the FTC the information on all these scammers and what phone numbers they're calling from. A lot of these companies, or a lot of these scammers, I want to call them companies, a lot of these scammers are actually overseas. So if you do get that phone call and it just doesn't sound right, hang up and call your local IT professional or give us a call at 770-693-0769. I'm going to give this number a call, and we're going to see how long we can play this out. So this is going to be fun. And our number might come up, so we had to spoof it so no one can know who we're calling from, know where we're calling from. This is going to be fun. Okay, I'm going to put my speakerphone. Okay, put the phone down. You guys see the phone? Okay. There's a number. Come on, pick up. This is going to be so fun. You know, these scammers, this is what they do every day. They find ways to manipulate us. And
the Google subscriber you have called is not available.
It's a Google number.
Please leave a message after the tone.
All right. Well, that's a Google number. You know, I'm going to try from another number because we called not too long ago just to see if they picked up, and they did pick up. So I'm going to try to call from another number and see if I can chime that in. Kat, if you can see what you can do. So, you know, we got to look out for each other, our mom and dad, our seniors in our community, our kids in our community.
That think they know everything.
Yeah, even the teens that think they know everything, which they don't. You know, you won't figure that out till you're like mid 30, 40, like, oh yeah, you know, I don't know everything. So, you know, we got to look after mom and dad, Nana, Papa, Coco, what's some other names I've heard over the years. Nana. So these are different. So we got to look out for, you know, the seniors in our community. They are more susceptible of being hacked and scammed because in most cases they're more trusting. And also some people just don't know. I had a customer that came in today and she got locked out of her, Bell South email. Now, if you have Bell South, and Bell South got bought out by AOL, I can't say that right anymore. AOL got bought out by AT&T now, and then AT&T got bought out by Yahoo. And so what happens is that your email is still saved in those servers, but I know they're encouraging people, please start change your email. So if you have an old bellsouth.net email, time to change that email. It's very simple. If you need assistance, come in. We can walk you through it, show you how to do it, how to set up a new email, and how to forward all those emails from Bell South to your new email. Let all your contacts know that, hey, my email changed. It's about time it changed. And there's some also safety tips that I like to tell people whenever they are creating an email. Number one, do not put your last name on that email contact form. They don't need it. Google, Gmail, Yahoo, who else? There's some different emails out there. Do not need your last name. Put the last initial, letter of your initial last name. Put that down there. Do not put your address. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people through their email account settings, they actually list their address. Big red flag. If you ever get hacked, that scammer now has all the information on you, and they can literally duplicate your profile across the web, and it can take you a long time and heartache hours of trying to correct that. We also like to recommend people get identity protection, ID theft. It's a great way of keeping yourself safe because there's so many hackers, so many scammers out there, and you are so busy with your everyday life, from kids to work to paying bills and grocery shopping, and sometimes you just need that person in your back corner helping you out. Those are things that we can help you here with Computers Plus, get you to the right team, the right people to help you get your identity back. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. Now, I want to remind everybody that we're having a 20% sale here at Computers Plus. So laptop, desktop, you get 20% off any laptop or any desktop. We got some great Apple computers, some great Dell, HP, Toshiba, a whole plethora of gaming as well. So if you're looking for that gaming rig, you're looking for that Apple device, or you're looking just for a laptop to get you through the day-to-day things, come by Computers Plus. We're open 6 days a week here for you. Every computer here comes with a 3-month warranty with an option to purchase a more extended warranty up to 3 years. We also cover IT protection. So if you have a computer and you bought an antivirus and you're like, okay, I got this antivirus, I hope it's working. I hope it's working well for me. 9 times out of 10, that antivirus is just sitting there doing nothing, just scanning things. And these are some of the things that just your built-in FireWire connection can filter as well. You need something more robust, and you need a team backed up in your corner if you need that assistance, because sometimes this may not just be your laptop. It may be your smartphone. It may be your tablet. It may be your printer. It may be some piece of machinery at work that you just don't have the IT skill in order to fix that problem. Give us a call. We're here for you. We can make it fast, simple. We can even do house calls. We love working with businesses. Work with a plethora of different businesses here in Kennesaw and in Acworth. And, let me tell you, once I'll give you some references. A lot of them are confidential, but if you come in, you need some work, give us talk with us, myself, with our other techs, with our other computer concierges, and we'll be able to get you to the right direction. Now, it's springtime, right? So time to start clearing out those electronics that you just aren't using anymore. Maybe they're outdated, they're in the closet. You're like, well, I'm not doing anything with it. It's time to start cleaning it. So if you had that yard sale, that garage sale, and you just can't get rid of that electronic device, bring it by Simple Electronic Recycling, located at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. We'll take care of it for you. Get it out of your hands. Get it into either a lot of people ask me, so what do you guys do with all this recycled stuff? So we try to repurpose it, try to refurbish it, try to get it back into the community, especially if it's something that can still work today. It may just need a DC jack. It may just need a new hard drive, maybe some new RAM, an upgrade of RAM, maybe even an LCD screen. There are so many different reasons why, or different things that we do with computers when they're recycled and desktops. Just speaking of it, during 2020, during the pandemic, we were able to donate over 75 computers to underprivileged kids that didn't have a computer, and they were doing online schooling. You remember online schooling? I remember online schooling. Oh my gosh, it was tough. It was tough. So big up to all the moms and dads that homeschool, because that is a tough job. I mean, it's tough being a parent anyway, right? It's tough being a parent, and to do homeschool on top of that, like I said, I take my hat off to you if I had one. Now, I want to also remind everybody that we do a food drive here. The food drive is for people in Cobb County, Bartow County, and now in Cherokee County that just don't have enough money to get a hot meal. We donate our canned goods to different food banks, to different churches. So if you're looking to save some money off of your repair, or you're looking to just do something great for your community, come by Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154. Drop us some canned goods. We're going to get them to the family that need them. And it's so important. And, you know, these little small ripples in our community only bring waves of success. So that's a way that we have been doing. We do as a business, as we like to keep trying to bring our community up. And if we can donate food, computers, we have a program with veterans. If you're a veteran and you want to get back into the workforce and you need that technology, that laptop, that desktop, come by, let us have a conversation with you, and let's see what we can do to help you out, because we love our veterans. We do Military Mondays, women, free diagnostic, women Wednesdays on Wednesdays, and then free diagnostic on Fridays. So that's Military Mondays, free diagnostic, women Wednesday for free diagnostic, and free diagnostic Friday. So that's 3 days out of the 5 that you can come in during the week and get your device diagnosed at no charge. Now, I want to talk about our rent-to-own program, Kat. And a lot of people don't realize this, but yes, Computers Plus has a rent-to-own program. So if there's a piece of technology here that you want and you just gotta get, you're just having that financial problem, you just need a little help, a little boost to kind of get you where you need to be, check out our rent-to-own programs on our website at computersplususa.com. We work with 6 different lenders ready to get you device you need to get your life going again. Now, a lot of people say, well, Terrence, am I going to be able, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm making enough. You just got to have a job for 3 months, a bank account for 3 months, and we're going to get you guys qualified. Again, we work with 6 different lenders. So we're going to find one that's going to work with you and and have that flexibility to get you that computer that you may want, because a lot of people are going, they're doing online schooling, they're doing work from home, and they need a reliable computer that they can trust and an IT team backed by that. And so when you have questions on your computer, on your laptop, on your tablet, you give us a call, and we're going to walk you through on how to solve that. Now, I do not want to forget, other than the rent to own, like that we just talked about, and the 20%. So it's rent to own, 20%. We got a food drive. Today is free diagnostic Fridays. The last thing I want to talk about. Did I talk about recycling? Yes, recycling. I did talk about recycling. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about before I try to call this number again, because I want to call this scammer. I want to call this scammer and say, hey, what type of help can you do for me? How can you help me? And just kind of lead them on. And then at the end, just bust them and say, you know what? This is ridiculous. I can't believe you guys actually sleep at night knowing that you're scamming people out of hundreds, thousands, possibly even millions of dollars, because you just don't have it in you to be a productive person in this world. And that's just so sad. Well, okay. So what I want to talk about is custom gaming PCs. So if you're looking to move from that console and go to a more robust, powerful, awesome gaming PC, we are the ones that you can talk to about. We'll help you craft it. We'll help you work with a budget. We'll find out your need, what you want to look, what's your favorite color. Yes, we can make these things like different colors, put LED lights in them, really make it light up like a Christmas tree. We are here to help you walk through that process, because a lot of people, when they want to get into gaming PC, they just don't know where to start. They don't know what type of graphics card they need, what hard drive, even what operating system. Right now, more people are running Windows 10 versus Windows 11. But we do know that in 2025, at the end of 2025, Windows 10 is supposed to end support. So that doesn't mean that you got to go out and get a new computer. No, bring it by. Let's see if you can upgrade to Windows 11. There are some processors that may say at the beginning, oh, this isn't supported from Windows 11. But you do a little bit more digging, a little bit more detail, find it, and then you find that you can load that operating system on that computer, and it's completely fine. So just don't trust that little icon at the top when it says you're not supported through Windows 11. Bring it to an IT professional. Let them do the checkout and see if you can and if you are compatible. Some Xeons are compatible, some Xeons aren't. Some i7s are compatible, some i7s are not. Some generations say they are compatible, but some actually are. So that's why it's important for you to come to either Computers Plus or to your local IT professional and see if you can go up to Windows 11, because it is changing the game. AI is changing the game, and if you've never played with AI, I encourage you to take a look at ChatGPT Also, I think Facebook is now implementing AI in their search bar. I mean, it's getting out of control. And you need someone in your corner to help you find out what things you can control and what things you can't control. And we try to control as much as possible, but there's some things that we just can't. And we're going to be able to work with you and talk to you and let you know how you can keep yourself safe and how you can get that device working properly. So gaming PCs, recycling, rent to own, food drive. Don't forget about the food drive, guys, girls. We need that. There's people in Cobb County that need your help. Rent to own, Apple devices, 20% off. I mean, what more could I possibly talk about? Oh, I know. This phone number. Okay, let's try call them again.
Don't pick the business to business.
I did talk about that. Business to business. Thank you, Kat. Yep. All right, so 910-446-3466. Okay, let's try them and call again. It's a Google number. Come on. Please pick up the phone. I'm begging you to pick up the phone. Oh, that's ringing. It's baseball. Braves are playing tonight. Who's going to the Braves game? You gonna watch the Braves? The Braves are playing tonight, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Braves is playing tonight. 6
The
o'clock.
Google subscriber you have called is not available.
You know what? I'm going to try to...
I'm wondering if they change the numbers.
No,
like they usually
well,
do.
they probably do. They probably got enough phone calls from that number. But I'm going to try something else. I'm going to hit the...
Because after a certain amount, they cancel that number and then get
Yeah.
different numbers.
They do, and then they move on to the next number. Okay, so I'm going to try it again. I did a little trick with the phone, so we're going to see if it... It went right to busy. So, you know, I mean, you know the old hack where you push *72 and then you from a landline you try to call to see, because I've called already, so they probably listed my number and they said, "Oh, that's that Terrence again trying to bust us again. Oh no, change the number." Well, if you happen to be looking at this podcast and you have another number, leave it at the comment at the bottom, and then I'll call again when I see that comment. So, hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, our YouTube, our Facebook, our Instagram, and our TikTok. We're here to help you on all your technical needs. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. We'll see you guys soon.